Fill the tank with drinking water and reinstall it. Do not exceed the max mark. Plug it and turn the machine on. Then icons on the screen will flash. After a few seconds, they ray all steady on. The preheating is done. Now it's available to brew coffee now. Prepare a coffee cup and turn the side knob to the steam position to clean the steam wand. After the 15-second preheating process, turn off the hot water. Please choose the filter according to your needs and install it on the funnel for ground coffee. Install it on the coffee machine without any grounding coffee to preheat your funnel and cups. And press the coffee button to let it brew. Add an appropriate amount of coffee powder in the filter. Use the tamper to make the power surface flush. Do not exceed the max mark of the filter. Install the funnel on the brewing head. And press the corresponding coffee button. Awaiting extraction completion, perfect espresso is ready. Always position the steam wand over the drip tray before activating steam mode. After the steam is stable, you will be ready to froth. Put the jug under the steam wand, making sure the wand is at the spout 12 o'clock. Then adjust the wand outlet at about 9 o'clock or 3 o'clock. There is an air hole on the outer wand for frothing more easily, requiring less of the angles and techniques. Turn the knob to off when milk reaches 60 to 65 degrees. Pour steamed milk into espresso. Your drink is ready. Briefly turn steam on for 1 to 2 seconds to flush internal residue. Remove the outer sleeve. Then wipe both the inner steam pipe and the sleeve clean. After wiping it clean, slide the steam wand cover back on. Your 2 café-style drinks are ready. Enjoy!